choose.
Hi, my name is Xavier Art. I'm an artist and I'm here with the Desire Company. So inside you have some smaller measuring cups for maybe smaller projects such as buttons or pins. But if you're gonna work on something larger, I would recommend bigger measuring cups. So inside you have two different mixtures. You have a part A and you have a part B. This is the 16-ounce bottles, and together they make a 32-ounce kit. Since it is a part A and part B mixture, what you want to do is make sure that your pours into your measuring cup or measuring bowl is exact to one another, or the chemicals won't bond together correctly, and what will happen is you'll start to see some spotting, or you'll see that your project never dries, has a tacky feel to it, like tacky glue, adhesive feel to it. So you really want to focus on getting your mixtures half and half.